Hello, I'm going to share with you a breathing exercise that helps you to become more mindful, peaceful and calm. Often there is a situation, a stimulus, and straight away leads a reaction. And often we behave very impulsively, being on fire, emotional, and we react too quickly. We say something, we hurt others by being so emotional and not rationally answering, not rationally acting. However, when we have a mindful behavior, there is a stimulus, the situation, and there is a pause when we can use breathing exercise to calm down, to become more peaceful, to harmonize our emotions, and then we become more conscious and we can make a more objective decision, the response. So then we can act being more conscious about what we say, how we say in a peaceful and calm manner. In this way we can really avoid many problems, because so often, especially in communications, we say something negative. When someone insults us, criticizes, hurts us, we straight away respond by being on fire and we respond negatively, and so often we regret about what we said. However, we cannot take those words back. And when we have this mindful behavior, when we take the pause, whenever someone hurts you, says something negative, does something mean, you hold on. If you can, you stay somewhere nearby, you relax, you go outside, you go to the bathroom just to have a moment for yourself. A minute or two, even 30 seconds can really help you to calm down, be more peaceful and calm, and then you can respond in a peaceful way and avoid so many problems. So one of the most simple exercises is when you can better way sit down, or if you cannot, then at least you stand somewhere calmly, peacefully, keeping your back straight. You can close your eyes or keep them just slightly opened, and you try to engage your breathing to just calm down, go within your heart, observe your emotions, what is happening inside. If you're just too much in your mind and you cannot really anymore feel to being what's in you, then you try to engage your mind by bringing the visualizations to yourself to pacify even more. So you simply inhale and you hold your breath and exhale. Every time when you inhale, you imagine, you visualize in your mind how you inhale the positive emotions, how you inhale peace and calmness, relaxation. Then you hold your breath, you keep those positive emotions within yourself, and then you exhale slowly and you imagine, you visualize again in your mind how you let go those negative emotions, the sadness, the irritation, the anger, the stress, the tension, the pressure, anything that you feel within yourself. You try to go deeper, you try to feel what irritation is in you, which part of your body you feel, what the stiff muscles, the belly anxiety, the chest, throat, where you feel this physical tension and what that emotion is, and then you visualize how you're letting it go. With the breathing, it helps. So you peacefully again inhale all the way from your abdomen, deeply and peacefully. Then you hold your breath and then you exhale through your mouth and let go. You inhale around 4 seconds, then you hold your breath for 2-4 seconds again, and then you exhale a bit longer. It can take 6-8 seconds. You don't need to be so precise, you can just simply try to feel that you inhale, you hold your breath, and exhale longer than your inhalation. And you do this for a few minutes at least. Inhale, hold your breath, and exhale. 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 You can try to again now visualize. Inhale, peace, the calmness. You hold the breath. Now you feel there is this tension in your body. Hold it and exhale. And let go of the tension. Inhale, hold your breath, and exhale. And you do this up to a few minutes, can do longer if you want, and at least even 1 minute or 30 seconds, and you will see that it really helps you to calm down and be more peaceful. You will be more observing yourself, you will be more rational responding, and you can improve your relationships. You can become more peaceful, you can improve your well-being, and just have a more peaceful life. I wish you happiness and good luck trying this exercise, and I hope it will help you.